Okay, one thing that's really important to do on these kind of frames is to dry fit all the parts of the frame before you put it together and actually screw it down. And one thing you're looking for, going to look for in the bag of the standoffs, is these pieces right here. Those are the motor mount blocks. And you notice there's screws, little metal silver screws in there that you can use for that as well. You can also use the screws that come with the motors. Anyways, we're going to dry fit the frame together to make sure everything fits. Now let's start with a set of arms. Remember, you got the two pieces. One with the holes, extra holes, one without the holes. The extra holes in the frame are the ones that will sit on the inside edge of the frame to allow the wires to run in and out of the chassis. These are the standoffs that have been lightened with the holes that go between the sets of arms. So what we'll do is we'll take this, push it into that slot, and push it into the corresponding slot on the other set of arms, and make sure everything fits. Okay, got one set of legs ready to go. Now let's do the other one. Sometimes you got to work them in there. There we go. There. That fits well. Now you can also look at these end pieces that the motors mount on. Those actually go in these slots at the end. See how there's two slots? There's nothing really to keep these legs from pinching in. So that's where these motor mounts come in. You'll slide them right into these two little slots. And there you go. Let's put it on the other side now. Okay, good. Now you got your motor mounts, you got your frame strengthener, and you're all ready to go. These two holes go on the inside of the frame. So as you notice, I got the two holes on this side of the frame going in, and the two holes on this side of the frame going in like that. Okay, now let's dry fit the actual frame pieces. This is the top frame piece. Okay, you'll notice why when you go to mount the flight controller board, you'll notice that the holes match up. These holes right here. And these holes are the ones that you're going to be putting the earplugs through for the vibration dampening. And I'll show you how to do that a little bit later. But this is the board. See if I can get you a better view of that. This is the board that has the correct standoffs for the flight controller. Fits right in there. And you can run cables up and down through these two holes as well. Okay. So let's check this out. This being the top board, this being the bottom board. I'll slide the bottom board legs into the holes. Sometimes it's a little tough to get them in there, but they'll fit. Make sure once again that the holes are on the inside of the board. Same with these. And you'll take your top board, slide it in. And there you go. Dry fits perfectly right out of the box. Now all I have to do is add the plastic standoffs, which are all the same size at every interval. Everywhere you see an open hole, you'll put those standoffs, and we'll do that now.